Right. So everyone, there was a mistake in the previous recording, so that was not uploaded properly. So now I'm starting from 40th question, and I'll be discussing that. Next, I will be uploading one more recording for the previous set of questions. Right. So let's come to the question set. The 41 question, 41st question. Which of the following statements regarding the cell junctions is or are correct? Let's see one by one. Animal embryos have cell junctions which allow the passage of ions. That is talking about which cell junction is allowing passage of ions. That is gap junctions, no? Animal embryos are having gap junctions. That is correct, right? Right, next one, tight junctions connect plasma membranes of adjacent cells forming continuous seal, which prevents leakage of extracellular fluid. Yeah, that is true. Tight junctions prevent leakage of substances in between the cells, right? So that is correct. Plasmodesmata are non-living connections, wrong. Living connections, so that it is wrong. Desmosomes allow exchange of signals. No, desmosomes are just binding the cytoskeletons of two adjacent cells, so that is wrong. Gap junctions attach cytoskeletons of adjoining cells by intermediate filaments. Gap junctions attach cytoskeletons of adjoining cells by intermediate filaments. No, that is desmosome junction, so that is wrong here, right? So I'm going to the 42nd question. Right. So here, which of the following combinations of some organisms and time periods they were living on Earth is or are correct? Early microorganisms about 3.5 billion years ago. The life evolved on Earth about 3.5 billion years ago. First photosynthetic organisms about 2.7 billion years ago, correct? This is talking about today's cyanobacteria. First eukaryotes about 2.6 billion years ago, wrong. All the protists about 1.2 billion years ago, correct. Ancestors of arthropods about 700 million years ago, wrong. So A, B, D, answer is 1. Right? Previous one answer is 3. Here answer is 1. Monocot leaves. Two cell layers may sometimes can be present in palisade mesophyll. Monocot, there's no palisade and congy, so this is wrong. All epidermis may be replaced by thick cuticle. No. Chloroplasts are abundant in all mesophyll cells, correct. Veins are parallelly arranged here. Stomata are mainly found not in lower epidermis, in both epidermis, equal distribution is there. So here answer is 4. Right? So I'm going to the next question, 44. 44th question is from circulatory system. Which of the following blood group or groups can be received by a person with B positive? B positive person, if you talk about B positive person, antigen B is there, right? Antigen B is there. Regarding the recipient, you will consider more about antibody. So antibody A is there. A is there. Rh positive person can have blood from Rh negative person as well as Rh positive person both. So B negative can be given. O negative can be given because there's no antigen here. Regarding the donor, you are talking about the antigen. If antigen is not present, you can give the blood to anyone. So that is correct. AB cannot be given anyhow because two antigens are there. So A is also wrong. C is also wrong. Answer is answer number 1. These people can give blood to this guy. Right? Function structure combinations regarding human brain is or are correct. 45th let's say regulating appetite hypothalamus. So that first one is wrong. Controlling auditory reflexes, auditory and visual reflexes, midbrain correct. Coordinating voluntary muscle movements. Voluntary muscle movement, cerebellum is correct. Name. I'm not sure. I think it's correct. Right. Next one, controlling autonomic nervous system. Yeah, hypothalamus is correct. Regulating sleep and wake cycles also hypothalamus put there, so that answer 5. Right? Okay. I'll check about voluntary muscle movements. I'm not sure. That's one. Cerebellum, yeah, that is correct, right? Coming to this one here. 46th one. Which of the following statements regarding oogenesis of a woman is or are correct? Primordial germ cells originate from yolk sac of the embryo. Yeah, this is correct. Oogonia is formed by primordial germ cells through meiotic division. Oogonia is formed by primordial germ cells through meiotic division. Yes, mitotic division. Yes. Primary oocytes complete meiosis 1 before the birth. No, it's arrested in prophase 1 of meiosis. Before the puberty, it completes meiosis 1, and that is wrong there. Meiosis 2 of secondary oocyte starts at puberty. No, before puberty it starts and it completes the meiosis 2 at the fertilization, so that is also wrong. Ovum and 2 polar bodies are formed when secondary oocyte complete meiosis 2. No, not 2 polar bodies, only 1 polar body is produced. That is also wrong there. Okay. I'm going to the 47th question here. DNA sequencing is a process used to determine precise order of bases in the DNA molecule. DNA sequencing is a process used to determine, yeah. Next one, cannot be applied in paternity testing. That is wrong there. helps to diagnose cancer. True, because you can read about genes, and it is helpful in early diagnosis of carriers of genetic disorders. Correct. Has revealed absence of multiple copies, maybe presence of multiple copies. Wrong. So answer is 1, 2, 3. Second one. All right. I'm going to the 48th question over there. Which of the following statements regarding microorganisms is or are correct? Fungal hyphae use organic chemicals as a source of energy. They are heterotrophs now. Yeah, that is true. Next one, mycoplasma and yeast produced by, yes, mycoplasma, phytoplasma, both budding and fission. Yeast also budding and fission. Acetobacter species can grow only in aerobic environments but can generate energy through fermentation. Yes. Acetobacter species can grow only in aerobic environments but can regenerate through fermentation. Acetobacter is fermenting now, so that is anaerobic. Means that is wrong. 48. Cyanobacteria carry thick-walled heterocysts to survive during unfavorable conditions. That is A kinase. Heterocysts are for nitrogen fixation. Purple sulfur bacteria are chemoautotrophs. They use carbon dioxide as source of carbon. Let me check that one. Come to this table, everyone. Right. So here it's telling that purple sulfur bacteria are belong to photoautotrophs. So here that they have given as chemoautotroph. So that that is wrong here. Okay. Right. Look at. Right. So I'm going to the here we look again. Right. So here paper. So answer is for 48th question is third one. 49, invasive alien plant species alter ecosystem values. Correct. Are confined to areas with little environmental variation? No, they are found in disturbed places where you have had some certain constructions and those areas. These alien species can invade. May encourage wildfires. Yeah. May prevent germination of seeds of other plants, like lantana, like seed litter is preventing the growth of other plants. Do not affect genetic diversity. No, they affect genetic diversity. Answer is answer 2 there. The last question is from 8th lesson. 50th correct answer is answer number 1. This one, and this one. SRU, Guinea Andhra. increasing annual rainfall. Yeah, annual rainfall is low in these under those. Yeah, this is thorn scrub. I don't remember exactly. Right, next one. R is palu, found in monsoon forest, and then kaluvara is found in rainforest. Wal kaduru තියෙන්නේ, sorry. Wal kaduru. Yeah, මේක book එකත් එක්කම තමයි බලන්න. Let me see. Wal kaduru තියෙන්නේ tropical mountain forest අපිට කලින් බැලුවේ. tropical mountain forest වල එතකොට rainfall එක වැඩිමයි කියන්නේ x එකේනේ, right. එතකොට ඉස්සෙල්ලාම එන්නේ SRU S එකයි R එකයි U එකයි ළඟට TQX T එකයි Q එකයි X එකයි ඊළඟට TWP. හරි මේක check කරන්න book එකත් එක්ක ඕගොල්ලෝ. Right, hope you understood what I discussed in this recording. Only the last part of the discussion is there. There was a mistake. I'll be discussing that sooner and uploading that also into the YouTube so that you can have it. Sorry for the interruption and the mistake that has happened. Right, if you have any issues, you can always raise to me regarding the examination. Before the examination, you can ask any questions. Please practice more. That practice makes you perfect. Do more questions. That is more helpful. Okay. Right, everyone. So good night and have a nice day. If I have time today, I'll be discussing the rest of the question paper and I'll be uploading few more question papers also. Okay. Right. See you then.